Porkns Power Chongqing Co., Ltd., located in Yubei District, Chongqing, focus on the production and sales of diesel and gasoline generator sets, and has established an excellent brand image in the industry. The company's production plant is located in Yangchuan District, Chongqing, with a standardized workshop of 10,000 square meters, with reasonable space layout and smooth and efficient production process. The supporting 2,000 square meter office building provides a comfortable office environment for daily operation and management. At present, the factory has more than 100 employees, including 20 technicians and 3 senior engineers, and has also set up a professional and innovative technical research and development team with profound technical accumulation and keen market insight. These professionals continue to promote the company's technological innovation and product upgrading. Porkns Power Chongqing Co., Ltd. strict lie follows the quality management system, and our products have passed the ISO 9001 international certification, which is not only an authoritative recognition of product quality, but also a strong witness to the company's strength. The company's annual output value exceeded 50 million yuan, showing strong market competitiveness and development vitality. At the same time, the factory has a strong production and assembly capacity of 5,000 units sets per year. In the production process, strict lie implement the ISO 9001 quality certification system standards. Each unit must go through strict tests before leaving the factory, from raw material procurement to finished product delivery, layer by layer checks, to ensure that each equipment has high performance and high quality. The perfect after sales service system also provides the most direct and effective after sales guarantee for the world users.